Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. Today's vlog is a bit unconventional, so guys watch till the end. Slice the potato and brinjal. Fry the smoked pork. Add the chopped vegetables to the pan. Not forgetting the tomatoes. Now add salt and chili powder. Saute the meat with the vegetables until they are nicely brown and add water and stir it. Now close the lid and wait for 20 minutes. We're gonna mash the tomatoes. Now add the mashed tomato in the curry and stir well. Now let's check our curry. I hope it will taste good. And guys, the curry tastes so good. Let me know in the comment section who else love pork with akhone. Now I'll be making dumplings. My friend is helping me chop the pork, and my other friend, she is busy watching reels. Stuffings for dumplings: pork, spring onion, and cabbage. This is dough. Because of windy weather lately, my lips looks really dull and chapped. Excuse me for a sec, my hair is a bit messy. Let me just tidy it up real quick. So I'll just use a hair clip to tie it up. Much better. Now my hair looks neat, tidy, and perfect. The dough is very tender. Add the stuffings and cover it. And guys, our momo is finally ready. Trust me guys, homemade momo is the best. And I should say this was the best momo I ever had. So guys, this was all about today's vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Till then, take care. See you all in the next vlog.